Hi, I'm Troy and this is Phoenix, my 34-foot sloop. Welcome aboard and please join me for some sailing adventures. Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to be doing some Lazyjacks. So what I've done is I've got this VB cord. I think it's like 5mm VB cord, and I've see if you can see that. That's the design that I'm gonna go with. That just shows the 4 different legs that I'm going to do and how far apart spaced they're going to be. So what I've already done, I've gotten this cord and I've laid it all out on a large floor and I've cut it all to size. So I'm thinking all I've got to do is hoist it up on the mast and then start attaching the legs and yeah, seeing how it all looks before I start drilling holes in the mast and in the boom. So I'm just going to put it all together, a bit of a dry fit, and I'm going to hold the legs in place with duct tape to get the right shape and the right fall, and then I can start putting the saddles, riveting them to the boom. So let's go take a look. I've already got my main line attached to a cheek block up there. The first leg is here, it's coming down. This is the second part of the first leg, and under the boom I've just got it held in place with duct tape, and I'll do that for all the legs before we start drilling holes. And because you're going stainless steel into aluminium, don't forget the Tef gel. Put a bit of that on the end of the rivets and on the back of the saddle before attaching it. That'll just help with electrolysis. So here we are at the Lazyjacks, seeing how we're going. As you can see, we've got all the legs attached to the saddles underneath, and I've just been tensioning them up and making sure that all the legs are the same height, they all line up. Some people like to put in nylon rings or pulleys. I've just used a bowline knot and threaded that through the knot and down to the leg, down to the saddle. So no rings, no pulleys, just kept it really simple and cheap, and hopefully that'll all work. Now we've just got to attach some cleats to the front of the mast. View of the Lazyjacks with the sail raised. They're all sitting really good. Hoisting the sail was really easy. So yeah, worked out really well.